Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a great song here from IANN DIOR. And this one is called You Don't Even What? Yeah, you have to listen to the song. But anyway, first we need to learn it, of course. So let's take a look at this one and we'll start with the capo set on the second fret, alright? So with that capo on second, we have the famous four chords C, G, D, and E minor. The four that comes in different combos and great songs together. So capo on second, let's take a look at the chords. We'll start with C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next is the G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord will be D, and we'll take it in a different way, a little different than the standard D. This one looks actually like a C, but it's placed 2 frets towards you, towards your body. All right, so that will be 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So that's the D. And then finally we have the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so that's the chord progression through the entire song, C, G, D, and E minor. But first we need to look at this cool melody. So let's start with the C here and play 3rd fret on A string together with the 2nd D. And then you play the open D, and that's the C part, all right? Then next is the G part. It goes like this. Okay, so that will be 3rd fret on E string together with 2nd A. And then you hit an extra on the 3rd fret E, and a clap. And then you have 2 notes that are kind of transition notes that leads into next chord here. And the notes will be 2nd on D and then open G. Okay, so we're half in. So far we played and then we'll go out to this grip here. And what I do, I play these 2 transition notes on the G string. I keep that 2nd on the D string, that finger. I'm rolling it out to get this grip now for the D. This is the 5th fret on A string together with 4th D. So that D string on the 2nd fret here that I used for the G chord, I slide now out to the 4th fret and get that already there. So you pick these 2 notes, 5th A and 4th D, and then you play again the 4th D and you hammer on to get the 5th D. So you're gonna play, you pick first the A and D string together, and then you hit the extra time here on this 4th D string, and you hammer on with a little pinky finger there on the 5th D. And that is the D chord. And now you take the same finger here you use on the 4th fret D string and slide back to the 2nd fret D string again. So you go back to the same string and playing on the E minor part that goes. Alright, so that is the open E string together with that 2nd D. You hit the clap. And then you have 2 transition notes. And they are on the 2nd fret A string and then open D. And that's the ending of the melody. So the last part was alright. So together slowly from C, G, D, and then to E minor, it goes like this. That was almost a standard tempo, a bit faster, and you are there. It goes like this. and so on. All right, great melody there, but you can also combine it with a very simple strumming pattern, and we're going to look at that right now. This strumming covers 2 chords, so it's divided into 2 different parts, since one part will be for one chord and the second part for the other. So we're going to take a look at the transition for the first 2 chords. So that will be C to G. So the first part is played for C, and that is simply down clap. So, and then you shift chord now to G and play down, down, clap, down. So that is one strumming. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down. So C, clap, G, G, clap, G. And then you apply the same principle for the next 2 chords. The D here will be played for part 1 here, the down clap only, and then the E minor for the final down, down, clap, down. So like this. And together it goes like this for a couple of rounds. Alright, so you can go back and forth with strumming and also this great melody, and that makes it up for IANN DIOR's You Don't Even. Yes, great song there. So that's what I want to give you this time. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know. Give me some love back, subscribe, and hit that like button. And see you next time, guys. Like always, play tuned.